In 2023, I am 12 years old, but think about when they'd be 2083. In 2083, what will you do at the future? For example, you'll be a good working when you're young, so you have a lot of money. So you can play with you like that, like reading books, walking, play sports, and draw the picture. And I will do more special things at the future. My name is Henry, and I have 2 reasons to support my answer. First, I will walk the forest 10 kilometers. When I am walking, I can feel the nature. Think about it. When we young, we was very busy to study and a lot of working, so we don't have time to rest. But not now. It's very different. We can rest and we can see many things and think about the natures of beauty. We can smell the natures too. For example, I can smell the food and tree smell. Maybe you can think nature is very beautiful. Second, I can play many instruments. When I play flute, I can make a beautiful sound when I play the song. When I was young, I need to study for a long time, so I don't have time to do anything except studying. But not now. It's different. We have a lot of extra time, so I can learn a lot of instruments, and I can get a lot of instruments. I think it will be very exciting, isn't it? In conclusion, I want to do special things. First, I can walk the forest. Second, I can try lots of instruments. I think the life is very beautiful. Thank you for listening my presentation.